What's up YouTube, it's SKB here. I'm back again with another video. Today's video I want to talk about how should you go about setting your goals for the next year, as we already know that it's almost 1 month left to get into 2024. So today's video we're going to talk about how do you have to go about setting your goals. The thing that I have found out is that setting too many goals, it's very overwhelming. It's like it's unrealistic. It's just not healthy for yourself. So what I prefer you to do is to only have one goal that you aim for that will make it possible for you to reach other goals once you have actually achieved this one goal that you aim for. So I want you to set only one goal, focus on only one goal that you can do that will make it possible for you to reach other goals. Like for me, my main goal in 2024 is to actually grow my brand on social media and make it big. Once I achieve this goal, I believe that I can achieve any other goal faster than ever before. You see, once I achieve this goal, it will motivate me to go to the gym, to eat healthy, to take care of myself just in general. So once I actually reach this goal, so you should also have only one main goal and go hard onto it, because this thing of having many goals into your diary is not gonna be realistic. You can't focus on too many things at once. You just have to focus on one thing, and only that one thing will make you reach other goals and achieve more things in life. You see, we should be realistic into ourselves. When you're setting your goals, make sure that the goals that you are setting are realistic, and these are the goals that you can achieve and you are interested into achieving them. And you should set them early and prepare yourself very early as time goes by. You know how time goes by quickly, and you ask yourself what happened, why did you not reach goals? And another thing that you should do is to go back to your 2023 goals that you have set and see what you have achieved and what you did not achieve, and what can you fix on those goals, and how can you actually improve and be realistic with your goals. So the first thing that I've said is that you should not set many goals. You should only have one main goal and go hard into it, because this thing of having too many goals can make you not reach any goal. It's not possible for you to have many goals. You should only have one main goal, and that if you achieve that goal, then everything else will be possible for you. You see, we should be realistic with our goals and have a why we want to achieve them. Another thing, you should also have a why you want to achieve the goals that you have set, because without the why, you will not be driven as you want them. You will not be hungry as you are now. You see, you have to also have a why you want to reach the goals that you want to reach, because without a why, you will not gonna be motivated to actually do your goal. And yeah, man, it's been your boy SKB. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you do like and subscribe. Without further ado, out.